Okay, today we are going to learn how to draw Brett from the Powerpuff Girls. So first, we're going to start with a circle. And we're going to draw the little bang that Bubbles have. But also Brett has it, but yeah, you know what I mean. Mostly you can draw any kind of bowl making Brett. It doesn't really matter. Then we want to draw her eyes, starting from the top of her bangs, coming all the way down. Then you want to make her look mad, since she's a power punk. And draw her little smile. I'm going to draw her looking lazy, but yeah, you can draw her happy. So I'm going to draw the eyes. The line. Then color in. And color in this.
Women with unstoppable curls never shrink from who they are. So go natural in a big way. Dark and Lovely's new Au Naturel for all curl types. Hydrate and define. 6 anti-shrink.
And I'm gonna start drawing her ponytails. This for now. And then gonna start with a U, a big fat wide U at the bottom of her neck, her head. And start off with her shirt. Then draw her stomach. Then we're going to draw her arm. Then we're going to draw the bracelets on her arm.
Children.
Then we're going to finish her ponytails. Then we're going to start drawing her legs.
Murder. Rape.
And mostly this is Brett. Thank you for joining me in drawing this.